In today's video, we are going to show you how to sync files using pCloud Drive so your local folders and cloud folders stay updated automatically, no manual uploads needed. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the pCloud desktop app on your computer and then hover to the left side panel of the dashboard and click the sync option. Now, in the sync section, all I have to do is super simple. Click the sync folder because this is your option to manage the folders that you wanted to sync. For example, if you wanted to sync your local folder on your computer, click the select button. Or if you want to sync your pCloud Drive folder, which I'm going to do right now, click the select button. Of course, you need to select the specific folder. I'm going to use this one. Okay, or if you wanted to create a new folder, you can do so. For example, we're going to create another one right here and click the create button. Super simple. But for now, I'm going to choose this one instead and click the select. And all I have to do is super simple. Click the start syncing, click the OK button. And basically, once folders are selected, click the start sync and that's it. Any changes here will now automatically update on your device and the pCloud. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to sync files with pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.